Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we will be solving equations using the quadratic formula, and I usually use it in a different way, so let's get started. The quadratic formula, if you're familiar with it, states that an equation in the format ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0 with these other. This is a, this is b, and this is c. X, you can find x using this formula, negative b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. It is good to memorize this equation. It is going to be very useful in solving these kind of problems. Okay, so let's start. Here we see in this equation, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 7, and c is equal to negative 5. Always take the signs along with you. The first thing I do is I always solve the determinant first. This is called the determinant, all right, which is square root of b squared minus 4ac. I always solve this part first to see if I can get a solution to the problem. So let's solve. B squared is 7 squared minus 4 into a is 4 and c is negative 5. And we get 49 minus, this becomes positive because there's a negative here, 80, which is square root of 129. All right. The square root of 129 will now replace this portion, and we get x equal to negative b, which is negative 7, plus or minus square root of 129 over 2a. 2a is 2 fours are 8. And that is your solution. This is my recommendation, to always try to solve the determinant first and then plug it in and then solve, write down your solutions into two numbers. All right, let's do the next one. Okay, we have here now a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 8, and c is equal to negative 10. First thing we do is solve the determinant, which is b squared minus 4ac. b is negative 8 squared minus 4 into 1 into negative 10. All right, we solve that and we get 64 plus 40, which adds up to 104. So basically the determinant is square root of 104. Let's write the factors of 104. See if we can factor out a few numbers, because I can see it's divisible by 2. 2. All right, we can leave it at 26. So we have your 104 is equal to 2 squared into 26, the square root of that. Okay, let's plug these values in. We have x will be equal to negative b, which is negative 8, negative 8, plus or minus square root of 104. So x will be equal over 2a over 2. So x will be equal to 8 plus or minus square root of, now 104 is equal to 2 squared times 26, all right, over 2. X will now be equal to, the 2 comes out, 8 plus or minus 2 root 26 over 2. Now we can see 2 is common, it cancels here 4 times and here 1 time, and we have x is equal to 4 plus or minus root 26, and that's your solution. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want to practice every day, please subscribe to my channel as I post every day. Till next time, have a nice day.